The Westinghouse 16.5-inch surface cleaner delivers professional-level cleaning results with up to 4,000 pounds per square inch of pressure, making it ideal for flat surfaces like decks, patios, driveways, and walls. Switching between attachments is a breeze thanks to the 1/4-inch quick connect fitting, compatible with most gas and electric pressure washers. The user-friendly design ensures that anyone, from professionals to homeowners, can easily handle various tough cleaning tasks with this attachment. Constructed from durable stainless steel, this 16.5-inch surface cleaner provides powerful cleaning and is designed for easy storage and use on all kinds of surfaces. Westinghouse has a long-standing reputation for delivering top-quality products, and this surface cleaner is no exception, backed by a 180-day limited warranty. With over a century of experience, Westinghouse continues to meet customer needs across America, making this surface cleaner a reliable choice for your cleaning arsenal.